Okay, so in this section, we'll deploy our first application. This is going to be a simple counter application where we can get increment and decrement the counter in our smart contract. The first line, as I've already explained in the earlier video, is SPDX license identifier, which tells us that the smart contract is open sourced under MIT license. The Solidity compiler version we'll be using for this smart contract should be equal to or greater than 0.8.24. We declare the counter smart contract. We'll be declaring a variable to store the count. This is going to be public in nature and of type uint256. We'll discuss about both of these keywords in the upcoming videos. Then we'll declare a function which can get the value of the counter, and then we declare a function which increments the value of counter by 1, and in the last we declare a function which can decrease the value of counter by 1. So this is a very simple and straightforward smart contract, and now we'll try it out on the Remix IDE. So again, you can see that we have a smart contract script here. We'll compile the contract. It has successfully compiled. Now we'll deploy it on the Shanghai VM. So you can see that our contract was successfully deployed on the Shanghai VM. We have the contract instance here. So we'll get the value of count. We can see that the value of counter is 0. So since count is public, we are able to see its value from here. If it weren't public, we wouldn't have been able to do that. So we would have to use get in that case. So if we do get, we also get a value of 0. If we do inc and then we get a value of 1. And if we do decrease, it decreases the value of counter by 1. So it's pretty much simple.